Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm in a different place. Today, I'm at my boyfriend's house. I've been at my boyfriend's house for like the past fucking week. It's dark. My bad, y'all. Let me get my clothes so we could go. That's his dog barking because she's crazy. I've been at his house for the past week, right? And yeah, he about to take me to the gym, y'all. What do you think you going today? It's nice outside. No, the fuck you not going to no. Get the fuck out of here. Spot with who? He playing. He better not even know no fucking spot. Okay, babe. I'm about to leave. Dropping me off, guys. So I'm about to go to the gym. Wait, I can't even see it. Wait, hold on. I can't see it, but I'm going to the gym. Okay, babe. Love you. I'll be back in an hour and a half. I'll let you know. 60.
What the fuck did I just drop?
Hello. Good morning, guys. So today it's a new day. I look crazy. My skin is peeling, so I don't want to show you my face. Today I have to run some errands with my boyfriend. I have to look at my dog's ashes today, and I gotta go to Target and do a couple other stuff today. So guys, pay no mind to my skin is peeling, guys. So I look a little crazy today. But yeah, y'all, so about to go run errands with my baby. I look crazy. Oh my gosh. I need to order some hair. It's time. So I'm gonna order some hair. Hit them onto my skin. It's peeling. I got a facial, so I did micro needling. That shit hurt. Like, it don't hurt here, but your forehead, y'all. Oh my goodness, your forehead. That shit hurt. I was not here for that. I was like, oh no, I'm never doing this again, ever. Guys, I'm always seeing triple digits. Look. But triple digits, 222. But yeah, that shit, I can't do that again. Like, needling. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be as bad as it was. Like, I didn't think it was gonna feel as bad as it did. But that shit hurt. I was like, oh no, never again. So guys, I just picked up my child, my baby, and I got a pet meadow. And he's inside here. Can you see? Prince. It's so small. I'm gonna take it out later to show y'all, but he's so small. A little baby, and then he gave me this note for him. So cute. I was gonna cry, but I was like, I don't feel like crying right now. I really don't. I already know if I'm gonna cry upstairs, I'm gonna cry, I'm still gonna cry, everybody gonna be crying, so I'm just like, oh, let me just wait till I get upstairs to just cry. Are you done? He gonna lost the car while I'm still in here. What's wrong with him? Okay guys, so now we're going to Dollar Tree. Look at him. I don't know why it's dark. Who do you think he is, y'all? Okay, Amaris. Okay, Mr. Amaris. I think he's so cute, y'all. How you be like, yo, Mr. Pretty, please. We gotta say to your audience. What you gotta say to your fans?
Pretty please coming up. Visual soon. That shit.
Okay. What you dropping next?
Surprise.
Yeah. Okay, we in here to get. Oh, look at this one. I like y'all. Okay,
Yeah,
guys. But right now we are at Stop and Shop. It's blurry, y'all. Well, we at Stop and Shop because we need to get some tissues. And I'm probably gonna get some like waters and snacks, something. But yeah, so y'all look crusty, y'all. Please pay me no mind. Like, I'm making tacos today, guys, for my man. He never had my tacos. He never had my shrimp tacos. Ooh, we about to have my shrimp tacos. Ooh, it about to be good. But yeah, I'll see y'all when we get inside. Yeah, push the car. Stop playing with me. And we need waters. Where's the waters at? Oh.
$12 for this?
It's $6, so it's $2 a bottle. How much is the other one? $2.29. So you saving like.
I get that full train.
Oh, ew, that's dirty water, man.
All water is dirty.
No, it's not.
No, water.
Yes, I am.
You're not. What the fuck, man? You got the green eye?
Yeah.
Lock it. Where you going? You say you want to make shrimp. Shrimp is right there.
Okay.
Look.
First of all, you're not gonna talk to me like that. I don't know. You trying for the camera? Relax. Yeah, I don't see no fucking obey. Y'all tell me if y'all see it. I hate coming to these type of big ass stores. Where the fuck the obey at? Cause I don't know this type of stores. I go to the supermarket on the block. Okay. Fuck out of here. Yo, you talk so much shit. Shut the hell up. Yeah, help me look. Yeah. He's too big. These are small though. No. These is nice, but these are small, right? These too small for you, right?
Yeah, that's too small. The bigger one.
I'm looking for the. Oh, this is good. Look.
Like, yo, not bad. Yeah,
How
a lot
many?
of tacos. I know it's fit.
You want a lot of tacos?
How many tacos you making?
That's what y'all want. It's you just make it and then y'all serve. Then you make y'all tacos. How much y'all want? Store tacos. Okay, I need another bag of this. Damn, they got this shit all over the place. Like, damn, what can I say? Oh, here we go, right here. You want soft? And what's the mini eat soft?
Nah, you want soap.
Yeah, all one soft. Okay, that's enough. That's enough for 2 people. What that thing doing? Y'all see this shit? Oh shit! Huh? Would you talk to it? You wanna talk to it?
I don't know, I never use it.
Oh, babe, you're not even helping me. You talk to this, right? Obey. You say obey, right? Don't you talk to it?
I don't know.
Yo, you so retarded. So dumb. What else you want? What else you want to get? I need to get cilantro. Where's the herbs and stuff at?
All over the place right now. Where's the camera?
Where's the herbs and stuff? He said I'm all over the place. Shut up.
Tomatoes?
Yeah.
You all over the place right now.
I'm trying to see the ingredients. Shut the hell up if I smack you.
You all over the place right now. Put that in the camera and take a deep breath. Come back to
Yeah,
reality.
tomatoes. Excuse me.
Why are you looking on that? Did you know how to make it?
It's the recipe. It's Kylie Jenner's shrimp tacos.
Oh.
What you talking about?
Where's your
These
recipe
tomatoes look nasty, babe.
Where's your recipe?
Those tomatoes look nasty. I'm gonna get 1 tomato. Where's your recipe? You hear y'all? Says a person that don't know how to even make fucking oatmeal. Oh, these tomatoes stink. Here, put tomato. Put a tomato. Put a tomato. I'm getting a lime, though.
What you get lime for?
Because you need lime. Look at him. He just want to be so lazy, yo. Yeah, put that tomato in there. Stop playing with me. Where's the limes at? Here he go, y'all. Getting his snack. Waffles. Waffles, right? Damn. Y'all got syrup?
Can y'all really feel it? East Coast feel it, West Coast feel it, dirty side, dirty. Can y'all really feel it? I got the East Coast feel it, West Coast feel it.
Boy, I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky. That's why you are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know that one of these days we gon' hook it up, probably talk on the phone. But see, I don't know if that's good. I've been holding back this secret from you. I probably shouldn't tell it, but if I let you know, you can do.
What you looking for?
Obey.
You have to have
Excuse me, do you guys have Obey?
Obey?
Yeah.
Right there, at the bottom.
Oh, wow. Look, y'all. What you say? Obey.
Who still uses Obey?
Repeat what you just said. You said who what?
What?
You said who still uses Obey?
I don't know what you're talking about.
He said who still uses Obey? Mind you, we're making seafood. Who uses Obey?
We get the spaghetti on the toaster.
Like, how do you put me on a pure leaf?
Yep.
No, you did
Yes,
not.
I did.
Okay, babe.
People just love lying.
You love fucking lying. You always
People
want
do
to
it
take.
for Instagram. That's what people do it for. People do it for IG.
I do it for IG.
Not funny.
Shut the fuck up.
Yo,
Shut up, I'll beat
not
you up.
funny.
Beat you up.
Start coming to me.
Come on, you gonna drop my camera, stupid.
Probably talk on the phone, but see, I don't know if that's good. I've been holding back this secret from you. I probably shouldn't tell it, but if I let you know, you can't tell nobody, I'm talking about nobody. Are you responsible? Boy, you gotta watch my back, so I'm not just saying it now. Is it my love? Is it your goal? Sometimes I'm pretty good. Right now I'm not enough. Say yes or say no, 'cause I really need somebody. Tell me how that's
So right now, my boyfriend took me to Liquidators, and they got mad stuff in here. What the hell? They need this store in Harlem. We don't got none of this shit. We got American Outlets, but it's smaller. The beat sounds too raw. Gotta, smooth it out. I look dead. God forbid, let me not say that. Yeah, I'm tired. I've been out all day. But got a bunch of shit in the trunk. He wants to go to the 99-cent store to get some stuff. While I'm recording, right?
You can't see.
Oh, I forgot you blind as a bat.